In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new bank account in Zoho Books. Whether you're setting things up for the first time or you just want to add another account to your existing setup, I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can manage your finances smoothly and effectively. Let's dive right in, so you'll be up and running with your new account in no time. First off, let's access Zoho Books. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard, which is your command center for all things financial in Zoho Books. To add a bank account, we need to navigate to the Banking section. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Banking. This is where you'll manage all your bank feeds and account details. Once you're in the Banking section, you'll notice an option to Add Bank or Credit Card. Clicking this will begin the process of adding your new account. You may be prompted to connect your bank via a direct feed. If available, this is usually the easiest way to ensure your transactions are automatically imported into Zoho Books. However, if your bank isn't listed, don't worry, you can add the account manually. After selecting Add Account, a window will pop up prompting you for more details about your bank or credit card. Click on Add Bank or Credit Card, and you'll be directed to choose the type of account you'd like to add. This is an essential step. Make sure you select the correct option that matches what you're adding, a bank account or credit card. This distinction could impact how your transactions are categorized and managed. Next, you'll need to tweak a few details to identify your new account accurately. Click on Select Account Type to specify whether it's a checking, savings, or another type of account. This is followed by entering an account name. I recommend being straightforward and descriptive here. If it's a business account, it might be helpful to include your business name in the title for easy identification. Moving on, input an account code. These codes help organize your accounts and can make future reports more straightforward to navigate. Then select the currency for this particular account. Zoho Books supports multiple currencies, so choose the one that corresponds to your bank's default currency for seamless tracking. Proceed with typing in your account number, followed by the bank name. Ensure there are no typos here, as this information needs to be accurate for bank feeds and account reconciliation. Additionally, enter the routing number. This might not be required for every type of account, but if it is, you usually find it alongside your account number. Now, indicate the location of your bank. This might seem trivial, but it can help Zoho Books manage transactions optimally, especially if you're dealing with multiple branches. Lastly, there's a description field. Use this space to input any additional information that might help you or your team understand the account's purpose at a glance. It doesn't have to be lengthy, just something informative. Now that you have all your details filled in, let's go ahead and save the account. This isn't just a formality. Saving locks in all the information you've entered, so double check for any errors before clicking that button. And there you have it. Your new bank account is set up in Zoho Books. Make a habit of checking in regularly to review transactions and ensure everything is going as planned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Zoho Books tutorials.